ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯍꯨꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯂꯣꯂꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 11 ꯑꯃꯗꯤ 12 ꯀꯤ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ Hello everyone, I am Huidrom Lolini. Nice to meet you once again. Aina education haiba subject asigi tongan ba meaning sing amadi masigi tongan ba processing matangda mamangda tawjakre ngasigi anauba topic oina education gi tongan ba concept amadi masigi scope haiba sigi matangda yengsi ngasigi oina aina education haiba subject asigi tongan ba concept singi maramda kharadang haike education haiba subject asi tasengnamak teaching learning process ka mari lainaba subject amani masigi tongan ba conception lay haibadi mafang khena ba amadi matang khena ba amadi mi amaga wakhalon khena bagi matung inna education haiba subject asigi su tongan ba concept lay yengsi mafang khena bagi matung inna education haiba subject asigi conception asi Eastern or Indian concept haina tongan ba concept ani khak legani aduga matam khenaba amagi matung inna education gi concept asi traditional and modern concept haiduna su ani thokna yengba yai ahan bada aina matang khenaba gi matung inna education gi concept ani haibadi traditional and modern concept asi amutang yengsi traditional concept tadi education haiba term natraga education haibasi only mean for reading, writing, arithmetic, that is to know 3 arts. Isam samna mi amabu 3 arts hanba iba paba khanghanba mayak chalhanba asini haina launa rami. In this traditional concept, there is no emphasis on psychological foundations, sociological foundations, and psychological foundations and sociological foundation. But in the modern concept of education haisi asuki matik pak sawi education asi yamna wide oi aduga comprehensive su oi education gi modern concept tadi education haibasi all round personality development of the learner asumna hai all round personality development haibadi angang amagi hingbada kwaidagi maru oina changiba mahaki physical development intellectual development social development moral development asingba tongan ba aspects sing asini in this modern concept education is child centered haibadi angang amagi nature da haibadi like and dislike magi interest amadi magi aptitude ability na singba singi yumpham oiraga tambiba adugumba teaching learning process amani so that in the modern concept of education is so practical and based on child's nature Amukasu yengsi mafang khena bagi matungina education ki conception ani lay haina hai khre madudi Indian or Eastern concept and Western concept. Haiba Indian concept haibadi India da leramba tongan ba educational thinkers sing philosophers sing amadi from any sources of India gi tongan ba mamal nairaba khogi lyric taga iramba adugumba education gi concept sing aduni in Indian concept education hase asuki matik idealistic oiba spiritual life kamari lainaba concept amalauna rami yengsi India gi tongan ba ngalingai matam haibadi ancient time da Rig Veda gumba Upanishad gumba haibadi Rig Veda and Upanishad haibadi akhoi Hindu gi yamna holy book ne haina riba dugumba asigi collection adugumba lyric singda education haibase asumna irami the Rig Veda regards education is something which make a man self-reliant and self-led. And Upanishad also regard education is that whose product is selfless. And masida natana yazni balkya amasung sankarsa janating singba tongan ba masak nairaba sing asana sunaharami according to Yajna Bhalkya education is that which make a man of good character and useful to the world and Sankaracharya also regard that education is the realization of the self masina haribadi in the ancient time Indian the ancient time the education haibasi yamna emphasis pyramid salvation gumba salvation haibadi kuina aran khubam phangbaga haina riba ishor ge yamna naknaba yamna ideals and an acquisition of knowledge gumba asigumba sidana hena intellect hena Hengal Hanba Adugumba Sibu education Nehana Lona Rambani. It is emphasis on Masi education Habasi Asukimatic Akwegi freedom Ohenba, ignorance the freedom Ohenba. That means Eba Pava Haitaba Mayaksa Taba mid Ushalaga Rambadagi, mid Pangthoropada Anganba Uba Adugumna, Larik Haiba, education Habasi, education Haitabasi, mid Uchalaga Labagumba, Aduga, mid Pang education Hairaba, Eba Pava say Haida Agana, mid Pangtoga Labagumba, Adugumaki concept Ama. Oina launa rami adagi amuk kitang ngan khatpa in modern sanglakpa matam dadi bebe Swami Vivekananda gumba Mahatma Gandhi gumba aphawba masak narba sing asigi concept na masidagi kharaga hena modern oiba adugumba conception pibirami madudi Swami Vivekananda said that education is the manifestation of divine perfection already existing in man. It shows that the complete exposition of man's individuality. He refers the development of divine potentiality existing in man. He said education should aim at man making. He further said that we want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect expounded, and by which we can stand on one's own feet. According to Vivekananda, Gimatung ina education haibasi ekwegi divine potentialities haibadi ishorna ekwoida pibirakliba potentialities abilities ekwegi intellect ekwegi thinking power reasoning power sibu individual adu gi masada kaigumba khara fullest level da expose tokpa aduni manifest tokpa aduni. Not only this, education ase aikoina Vivekananda gi matungina samna yengba yai character formation. Not only the divine potentialities that develop tobata natana character habasu human character is important. Character also develop, education should develop character habasu and intellect also, and so that he can challenge, he can face all the difficulties of life, he can challenge all the problems created in the lifetime. Akwigi punsida thengnariba tongan ba thabakta tongan ba staff ta thengnariba akwigi challenges mayam asi sumaina education sina keno se pira aigi talents mayam se potentialities mayam se develop tawrakanda aigi aphaba mo erakanda ai isana matomta lepsaba ngamba mi ama ojagani haibasani according to Vivekananda gi matungina amuka suyang si Mahatma Gandhi gi conception on education. He said that by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the base in the child, man, body, mind and spirit. Here, Mahatma Gandhi na haining liba all-round development have the drawing out of the base have the equida yauzariba mi oiba amada yauzariba magi potentialities capabilities sing say ekoi khangdokpa loinana madu base level the develop tawhanpa by all round development habati mahana ahung khakpalli madu di body mind and spirit habani. Body means physical development, mind means ekoi gi intellectual development and spirit means spiritual development. Hariba ahum asi development tawhanba all round Siday the loina khangdwe har kanda ahum asi development tawhanba for making a whole man mapung phaba mi ama oina bagi damakta Mahatma Gandhi na education haibasi ekoi mi ama da yauzaragliba ekoi gi potentials natrike capabilities mayam asi the hengal hanba phagal hanba that phagal hanba haibadi ekoi gi physical development and mental development and spiritual development haiba ahum asi phagal hanba haibasni asunna Mahatma Gandhi gi conception asi it is the modern conception Nahaina mayamna yanava wafam mamo directly and mathangda mo Western concepts on education. Western concept simak aikoina modern concept of education habasi ga yamna mari naba adugumba conception amani. In the Western concept, education is deliberate and organized activity. Education habasi aikoina Western concept sadedi it should be planned, it should be organized, it should be systematic habani, and that through this systematic and planned and deliberate activity, a child should develop his physical, capacities, his physical aspect, I mean, intellectual aspect, aesthetic aspect, moral aspect, and spiritual aspects or spiritual potentialities. All such potentialities have the physical potentialities have the muscle power, potentialities and intellectual potentialities or development have the thinking power, reasoning power, intellect hangatpa, buddhi lok singyam singba, wisdom hangatpa asna singba sing asni, and aesthetic, moral, and spiritual have the moral conduct phazaba aduga akoina spiritual na singba potentialities mayam se all round oina hengat hanba phagat hanba haibasini through a process of deliberate and organized activity amana. Aduna some of the Western philosophers singi tongan ba conception khajitang gayangsi. According to Plato, education is the capacity to feel pleasure and pain at the right moment. It develops in the body and in the soul of the pupil all the beauty and all the perfection which he is capable of. And Henry Pestalozzi also said that education is the natural, harmonious, and progressive development of man's innate power. And John Dewey also said that education is the development of all those capacities in the individual which will enable him to control his environment and fulfill his possibilities. Haibati education haibase aikogi Western concept sigi matung ina education haibase aikoina tongan ba individual child natraga learner amagi magi innate capabilities sing ase harmoniously natraga progressively development tawhanbata natana ngasagi social environment kasu yamna mari langna ba adjustment to the society, adaptability to the changing situations na sing ba tongan ba factors sing da tongan ba aspects sing da development purakpa adubudi, and so that he can fulfill his possibilities, so that he can challenge all the demands of the society, he can meet all the demands of society and the demands of individual himself or herself. Haibani aduna modern education da Western concept ki conception ase asuki matik zauna mateng phangi. In this modern conception of education is all-round development, personality development of the child. These all-round personality development include child's physical development, child's mental development, child's emotional development, and child's moral development, aesthetic development, etc. Hairiba education ki conception asina mayamna common oina yanaraba adugumba conception singni. Mathangda ina scope of education habasigi matangda kharaga amuk yengsi khuna khangi madudi education habasi yamna sangba adugumba lifelong process amani mamangda haikre education is life and life is education haidana haibadi ekhuna entire life asi education ni habani. All the sources from the environmental sources since are environmental gi phangiba experience since are also included under the scope of education habani. So the scope of education is so broad and comprehensiveness and variety of experiences. According to dictionary, scope habasigi sabsaba dictionary da piba meaning se amtang yengsi. According to dictionary, scope means the extent or range of view, outlook, application, operation, and effectiveness. Haibadi scope habasi kadai dagi kadai phauba haidana lairiba asigi manungda lairiba poaching aduni haibane. The scope is so wide, so the scope of education is so wide, it is as wide as the world and as long as the history of mankind. Asuki matik yamba endless oiba experience mayam amayawi habani, because education habasi aina haikre begins from conception and continue up to date habani. Akoi mioi bagi punsina lairiba makai akoi education thangni habani. Aduna education gi scope habasi asuki matik pak sawi punsi habasi mak mi amagi punsi habasi mak education itself. So the scope Scope of education हाइबसे अखोइना अनि थोंगना नाइनाबा याय because of its two different meaning हाइबदी two different meaning हाइबदी narrow meaning and wider meaning अखोइना खांगे मदुदी narrow meaning हाइबसे याम limited ओइबा कहानी स्कूल कॉलेज कुम यूनिवर्सिटी गुम्बदा formal system of education दा पीरिबा अदुगुम्बा education सिंगदुनी अदुगा wider meaning हाइबसना life itself अखोइगी पुंसीदा थेंगनरिबा थगदोक वाथोक नसिंगबा पुना मक्सदगी फंगबा अदुगुम्बा education अदुनी अदुगी मतुंग ina hariba meaning asigi ani sigi matung ina education gi scope asisu ani thongna nainaba yai madudi limited scope haiba maga unlimited haiba scope amaga limited scope haiba si scholastic oiba academic oiba haibadi school college kumba yamna formal oiba yamna deliberately consciously plan toraga piba education gi scope that means school college ki adumaina aikoina specific courses of study adu sing dubani limited scope haibase aduna limited scopes asida janba yaba laiba yaba akogi subject matters singi maramda khajitang haijege ahanbada philosophy of education sociology of education, psychology of education, history of education, measurement and evaluation, educational administration, problems and issues of education, and methods and techniques of teaching. Hariba subject matters sing asa education gi limited scope asigi manungda aikhunya nainaba yai. Hariba subject matters sing asigi maramda kharadanga mukka yengsi philosophy of education ahanbagi philosophy of education asi yengsi philosophy haibadi aikoina khangi this is the love of wisdom haibadi aikoina philosophy haibasi karigumba pot amagi yamna deep think tawrakanda madu criticize tawrakanda madugi solution ama answer ama pibaduni haina haiba yai aduna philosophy of education haibase education haibasida ngasai gi criticize tawba ngasai gi philosophy gi oiba system principles laws magi ideals doctrines mayam du yamna darkar lai karigino habada education ki aim objectives and methods of teaching curriculum the discipline na singbasing ase kanagi mateng na philosophy hariba ngasai gi yam critical thinking tawraga tonga ba ideals mayam putho iba subject asigi principles sing asina ngasai gi education gi aims objectives adagidi curriculum ngasai gi methods of teaching discipline na singba tonga ba education gi yamna maru eba components sing se sagat pada yamna sauna mateng pangi aduna philosophy of education is one of the subject matter of education. And next the sociology of education. We know that sociology is the study of society haibani aikoina education hai se aikoina in its broad sense it is all the experience from environment means society haibani aikoi leijariba punamak ase environment society community punamak se aikoi gi environment se da manung sali aduna sociology of education ase akoina education gi scope of education da manung sali haibadi angang amana brought up tairak pa haibase he or she brought up within a society or a community there is specific nature of society amaga khena ba tongan ba nature society gi social norms social rules and regulations sing ba tongan ba lai adugum ba tongan ba mayam adu akoi education haibasna as a instrument ama oina adu akoi in a socially desirable way amada whatever unwanted behavior gumba angang sing sige adugumba mayam se aikoina so channelize to darkar lai aduna sociology haiba subject asina sociology haibasana society asibu nainaraga angang sing asibu akoigi learners sing asibu socially desirable way amada channelize to aduna education da akoi maru aina angang ama semba angang ama phagat hanba whatever magi mentality bu oiro whatever social behavior bu oiro phagat hanba haibasi gi education gi mathau amani yamna maru oiba mathau amani aduna sociology of education is also one of the subject matter of education. And number 3 pa mathangda psychology of education. Psychology of education, we know that psychology is the study of behavior. Human behavior with nainariba subject adubu aikoina psychology haibani. Education hasi aikoina modern concept of education da child centered oiba or pedagogy centric oiba aikoina education gi one of the main importance is education should be based on child centered haibani. Child centered means angang amagi nature haibadi magi like, dislike, interest, capabilities, aptitude na sing sings the best tawraga maga chana ba mana ngangada ba aduga stages of education duga chana gada ba dugumba education pibi ba haibani. Aduna angang ama like tambidring agi manung tambidring agi manguina na angang adugi magi nature magi like dislike khangdok padarkar lai psychology haiba subject asigi mateng na aikoina angang amagi behavior asi yamna laina khangba ngami. Aduna psychology asi education gi one of the important scope of education, I mean psychology of education. Then next, history of education. In our common sense, history is study of past experience. Aikoigi miyoibana haugalakpa asi past tagina present marak sidaida aikoina past present habasigi marakta past haiba chisu ancient contemporary haraga modern lai modern dagi huzik haiba huzik haiba aikoigi concept se amula ani huzik now haiba se. Aduna angang ama education piba matamda tongan ba historical era da lairiba tongan ba history gi education ga mari laina ba education system bo oiro education gi nature of methods of imparting education bo oiro tongan ba historical aspects ng ase yamna maru oi madu khangdokla kanda present haiba se past haiba se khangaba kanda present haiba se oigedoini. Aduna history of education is also one of the subject matters of education. And now come to the another scope, that is measurement and evaluation. Measurement and evaluation, this is new term I think. Measurement haibadi akoina measure to habani karigumba pot amabu natraga karigumba posak amabu natraga kanagumba amabu on ba haibadu lakadoni pot ta olagadi mase kayam sawi kayam pa I natraga kayam wangi haiba mi da olagana akoina magi capacity se kayambo kyamna khange haibana singbasi khangdokpa adubuni measurement means. Aduga measurement have and evaluation is also important subject matter of education because aikoina what kari khange natraga kari khangdri natraga kari karamba area da aikoina swatha duna lairi education pibada swatha duna lairi natraga kari pigedage haibana singba se aikoina statistical record ama lokhatuna natraga aikoina phajana assess survey tawduna natraga kari gumba method khara sizinaduna khangdo e har kanta makoi se assess tawbayai. This means assessment haibani assessment asi long term da tawbayai or short term da Aduna measurement and evaluation, whatever we have teach khona tambiri ba classroom da oiba yai natraga any environment amada tambiri ba akhoi learning experience sing se kaya yamna haire natraga kaya yamna khange haidana akhoi angang sing asigi khangba ngambagi chang na singba khangdokpa asibu akhoi evaluation haina kawi. At the end of the course akhoi course ama tambiba loira kanda school formal school da formally course ama subject ama natraga sahi amagi 1 year gi tham kharagi course ama tambiba loira kanda takpiba loira kanda its training or its teaching gi akoina at the end of the session akoina angang sing asigi knowledge test tawba adubu akoina knowledge test tawra kanda makoida siphawba haire siphawba haitri haidana makoida grade piba asina singba sing asibo akoina evaluation aina khangnai. Aduna akoina tambiri bat kaya yamna success oirage habadu khangnabagi damakta education and measurement and evaluation in teaching learning process is important, so that it is also one of the subject matter of education. And now come to the problems and the issues of education. Mamangda pankre akoina haukraba matam ancient time dagina till now huzik phawba sida tongan ba ira mayam ama akhoi loina duna lagle problems haibasi akoina matamangi oiba ancient gi sukhangde contemporary khangde modern khangde hauzik gi sukhangde tongan ba education gi oiba the teaching learning process ka mari laina ba issues mayam lai problems singi manung da akoina aims ki matang da akhoi ka dagidi method of teaching akhoi matang da adagidi curriculum oiro and discipline bo oiro asina singba tongan ba problem sing ase akoina khangba darkar tai and akoina madu tongan ba examination system dabu oiro problems lay akoina pam daba akoigi matanga sana daba haibadi education gi concept asina change tawrali ba makhai akoina problem se adum update tabada problem se adum thengna gani adugumba concept sing adu update tawrai ba makhai थोलैबा प्रॉब्लम सिंग अदु अखुना सॉल्व तब दरकार लै अदुनदी हाना चतनरंबा आउटडेटेड ओइबा कंसेप्ट खंगे आउटडेटेड ओइबा मेथड्स खंगे नसिंगबा सिंग असे अखुना रिफॉर्म तब दरकार लै अदुगुंबा इश्यूज सिंग अदो खंगबा मतुंगदा अखुना यामना क्वालिटी लैबा नत्रगा यामना अफबा मखलगी एजुकेशन पिदुना अखुना मेकिंग होल मैन हाइबा अदुगा ऑल राउंड पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट हाइबा अदुगुंबा एजुकेशन गी वन द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट एम ऑफ एजुकेशन असे अखोई problems and the issues of education is also one of the subject matters of education. And now methods and techniques of teaching hai ko aikoina education gi tongan ba methods techniques lay method techniques habadi education pi bagi teaching tawbagi maong training tawbagi maong tongan ba methods kaya maru laikre makhoi singdugi manungda lecture method lecture habadi aikoina instructor na traga teacher na traga trainer aduna concerned subject to the topic to the some kind of presentation nama piraga wari asum saraga angang sing duna khanghoba methods lecture kawi aduga lecture method demonstration method aduga play way method ko tongan ba method jamne project method na singba tongan ba method पीबगी नत्रगा ट्रेनिंग पीबगी नत्रगा टीचिंग की तोंगा मेथड टेक्निक्स लाई हाइब मेथड टेक्निक्स असे मतंग सानबा अमा वहनबसु दरकार लाई मॉडर्न मेथड्स ऑफ टीचिंग ददी हुजिक मॉडर्न कंसेप्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन ददी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग इज प्लेवे मेथड हाइबनी फॉर स्पेशली फॉर लोअर सेक्शन आई मीन प्राइमरी स्कूल से ददी को अदुगुंबा मेथड्स ऑफ टीचिंग असे अखोई तोंगान बा एजुकेशन की स्टेज लैरिबा सिंग असिदा तोंगान बा मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग असी सिजिनबिदुना अंगांग सिंग सिबु फहनबा नत्रगा खंगहनबा असी मथौ ताई अदुना मेथड्स ऑफ टीचिंग इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ एजुकेशन नेक्स्ट यंगसी mathangda unlimited scope of education. This unlimited scope of education is non-academic and non-scholastic. Haibadi school college ta piriba yam academic oiba school dagi phangba aduga direct like sugar mari lenyana phangakpa knowledge nataba adugumba knowledge and experiencing aduni. Haibadi every learning and influences which act upon in one's life is an unlimited scope of education haibadi akoina education haibasi magi concept ta it is lifelong process akoina environmental influencing haibadi akoina environment gi aigi maru mapang sindagi aina traveling tobadagi aina ano stranger na chingba tongan ba experience leiriba mayam sina so akoibu education pi haibani asigumba life ta thengnariba incidents sing happening sing asina itself education haibani asigim life ki experiencing mayam sibuni akoina unlimited scope of education haibase this life experience is informal oina phangai ba akoina knowledge and experiencing asi under the unlimited scope of education aduna ngasigi tawkhriba concept of education and scope of education haibasigi matangda tongan ba explanation sing asiga loina na ngasigi di matang asida loisilasi